Hey everyone, it's Lise and welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing another unboxing and it will be for Walt Life. Now I apologize, my voice is a little stuffy. I'm getting over a cold or something. I did get tested for COVID-19 and luckily tested negative, so I'm very grateful for that. I sound a lot better than I have, at least you can hear me now. It's kind of nice to start getting my voice back a little bit. This isn't my first Walt Life box, it's my third Walt Life box. So I've been getting it since May, I just haven't posted any of the unboxing videos. This is my third box, but it's the channel's first box. Let me know if you have gotten Walt Life before. I've heard quite a few mixed reviews about it. It is one of the boxes that are a little cheaper, but they have a lot of random Disney items, not just Disney Parks items, but they also go kind of above and beyond in some ways where you can enter a contest with them to win a free trip to Disney World. Let's see what's inside our box. It sounds like something's inside of this. Oh, yep. Okay, so I'll actually do the inside item first. I got a Minnie Mouse keychain with a little sandal. There's a cute little flower charm on it there. And on the back, there's Minnie Mouse. That's pretty cute. I don't know if you can see that. And that was sitting inside this adorable mug. It's a Mickey and Minnie mug. And it has some classic Mickey and Minnie Mouse words like, oh boy, and gosh. So you can kind of see cute little classic Mickey and Minnie, and on the inside it's black, which I kind of like. I really like the colors, the black, the white, and then it's accentuated by the red. Very nice. That's cute. If you love the Tinkerbell movies, you will love this magnet. Look at this sassy Tinkerbell, and it says Pixie Power. I love the Tinkerbell movies. I don't know about you, my personal favorite fairy is Fawn. And my favorite movies are probably The Pirate Fairy and Tinkerbell and The Legend of the Never Beast, of course, because that one features Fawn, who is my favorite. So if you have a favorite Tinkerbell movie, let me know in the comments because I would love to know. Ooh, you can't go wrong with candy, especially Frozen 2 gummies. So this features Elsa. It says it has 2 fruity flavors. Gummies are one of my favorite candies. I don't know if you've had Lifesaver gummies, but those are my favorites, especially the ones that only feature the pink and the red flavors. So I can't wait to try these. Okay, so I love this item. This is a crossbody Minnie Mouse purse, and it has really cool Minnie Mouse bows and Minnie Mouse's signature. So this is clearly worth lots of money because Minnie Mouse signed it herself. But I actually received this exact same bag in my May box, so that's a little disappointing. You know, I'm sure that happens. It's hard to tell what you've given people before. Obviously I don't need 2, so I'll probably just give this one away as a gift, but it is cute. It has 2 pockets in the front. It has this long strap that is adjustable, so that's always nice, especially if you're like me and you have a tiny torso. I really loved it when I got it the first time. But yeah, so I've actually gotten this item from them 2 months ago. So next I have a 3D motion magnetic postcard with Cinderella and the fairy godmother on there. That's kind of cool. So you can display it, you can send it to somebody and then they can display it on their fridge or whatever they want to. My mom loves Cinderella, so I might send this to her. I think it's really pretty, especially for someone who wants to just have a little Cinderella art to hang up on their fridge. So this looks like the last item, and it is a Disney baby item, but I mean, it's not necessarily for babies, it's just from the Disney baby line, and it is an adhesive patch. And the patches you can actually use as a temporary adhesive, or you can make it permanent. It's up to you. So I think that's pretty cool that they do that. In one of my other boxes, I did get a rainbow Mickey Mouse head, and I thought that was super cool. I don't know if you can see the texture there, but it's like a felt fabric. So kind of soft and like a little off soft red. So pretty cute. Okay, that is all in my box. Now, you will occasionally find a coin like this in your box. And if you collect all 8 of them, then you win a trip for 2 to Disney World. And it comes with this game board that you want to spell out Walt life. But also, if you take a photo and you post it on Instagram or Facebook, and your name will be entered into a drawing to win prizes. So that's pretty cool. They don't give you a spoiler alert card or anything, so I don't know the value of anything, but I like all the stuff in here. I think my favorite, if I hadn't gotten the purse before, I think that would have been my favorite. But since I did get the purse already, then I would say my favorite is probably the mug. I think this is really cute, and I can't wait to use it. So I'm probably gonna make some tea right after this. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you have a favorite fairy or a favorite Tinkerbell movie. And remember, if you need help planning your magical vacation, I am here to help you every step of the way. My services are completely free, and I don't just do Disney. I can help you plan any trip around the world or just in your backyard. Remember to be kind, have courage, and always believe in the magic. Bye.